Welcome to my toolbox. In today's arsenal, we have tent stakes, latex gloves, Harbor Freight rivet gun, rivets and rivet caps, gaffer, duck, and electrical tape, multimeter, spare gas regulator, small bottle of chlorine, measuring tape, ozone generator, silicone, Gorilla brand adhesive, large zip ties, a bag of rope, 2 different types of Velcro, alligator clips, pick set, Allen wrenches, overcompensating screwdrivers, channel locks, crimp tool, crescent wrench, a stripper, would have been cool if I made that, adjustable pliers, wire cutters, lineman's pliers, needle nose pliers, rawr, and an axe hammer.